Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video I will show you how to turn off a comment section for your Instagram stories. So you might have seen the people are commenting in your Instagram stories. If you want to keep it on, that is fine, but if you want to disable that option that no one can comment in your Instagram stories, then I will show you in my mobile screen how to do that. So open your Instagram account and I will click on plus icon and I will go to story section. So I will click a photo here, for example this click, and here on the top right you can see three dot is there. Click on this and you will see the option as turn off commenting. By default the comment will be on, the comment in your Instagram stories. If you want to turn off, you have to click on this one, so comments turned off. So now you can post these stories, so no one will be able to comment in your Instagram stories. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.